Hello from Mikhail and Matia. We are on our way to Havana, Cuba for the first time. We'll be showing you guys the wonderful food and culture that Cuba has to offer from our perspective to you. Let's enjoy the ride.
So we're on our way to Cuba. We'll be staying in Havana for the next 10 days and exploring the city. I am really excited to see the art and the music that the place has to offer. What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the old buildings, the food, the music, and the different culture, and the old cars. All of that, I'm really excited to see it for the first time.
So stay tuned and let's check out Cuba together.
Peace.
Do it?
Yes, that is right. Thank you. So our first ride from the airport in Cuba is in a classic car, 1954 Chevy.
Me dijo mi papá que dio los dos.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah.
did you get it?
Yeah.
Che y José Martí.
You see behind over there?
I can see that one.
The statue.
All right. Hello, everyone. We are here in Havana, Cuba. And this is our Airbnb. We only paid about $53 per night. And this is the amazing view that we have here in Cuba. From our balcony, that's the ocean. That's the Malecon. Malecon Drive is right there. Just 2 blocks away. And this is our Airbnb. You heard me? Yeah. This is our bedroom. Bedroom has a nice view too. That's our back. So this is our first breakfast next door to our Airbnb at Yemi's house.
My favorite fruit. This is the guava.
Dragon fruit?
Guava.
Guava?
Thank you.
Entonces, el sábado.
So how do you like it?
It's so amazing. This is my favorite fruit, but I can't really seem to find a good tasting one in America. So seeing it would like make my morning. Guava.
Yeah.
Thank you. Pancake toast. So today we'll be going out in we are actually around Vedado right now, so we're going to go out, take a walk by Malecon, and see what the Cuban life is by just simply, since it's our first day, by walking out on the street and just exploring. It's a little bit windy. So we are taking a stroll in Vedado right now. We are in Vedado area.
And we're headed towards Malecon to see the monument of Maine.
Yes,
Portland.
but that's the Malecon.
Monument right there.
So we are now located in Vedado area. Next, in the back of us, the background is showing the monument for Maine victims for the ship that was blown in the 1900s. This is a monument for them. Right behind it is the Malecon. So we're gonna try to get closer and have a look of this. So we go. So here we are. We got a little bit closer to the monument for the Maine victims, right? It's beautiful. A little bit windy, but beautiful. Here behind us is the monument for Maine victims. It's very windy, but behind us is the monument for Maine victims for the ship that was blown off in the 1800s. And in front of us is the Malecon, the ocean, right there as you can see. And
On February 13, 1898, America sent a ship to help scare the Spaniards away, and somehow the ship broke. Basically,
yes. One thing I was gonna say is we're gonna go check out people do a lot of fishing here. We saw a lot of people standing here and doing some fishing. So we'll go check that out. But this is the monument. It's kind of close to our Airbnb, so we came walking distance. We came to check it out. So now we're going to try to walk on this highway. Gonna have to run. So this is how we're gonna go to Old Havana.
what? I love it.
Living life on the edge. Yeah. Yeah. Yankee. Yeah, I like your hat. Good hat. Yeah.
America Monument.
Monument?
America.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ship.
Yeah.
So we're
Yeah.
with these monument. We're in a big cookie.
we're going with the hot tortilla, taking a tour to Old Havana.
Electric car.
Electric car. Ah,
An electric car.
in
yes.
electric.
Only one.
Only one
In Havana.
in Havana. Wow, look at that. Take a shot of that.
Hotel Nacional.
Oh, international right there. Oh. Didn't put it on video.
My English is little
Okay.
bit.
No, it's okay. So this is Central Havana.
Central Havana. See, you like look.
Yeah, this is good.
Come on, look.
No, Old
Old
Havana.
Havana.
Old Havana. But this is Central Havana.
Central Havana. Can you drink mojito?
Yeah.
Can you drink? You?
No, now. Yes. Mojito. So we are currently located by the Prado Road. That is right here. This is all Prado. Right here on our right side is the New Havana, and right here on the left side is Old Havana, and the Malecon is right there behind us. So we are now next to the statue of Jose Marti. First place is La Makina. Hello. Hi. Thank you.
Lo que pusieron mejor.